Yeah. Oh, hey, hold on one second. Hey guys, I got this amazing new listing here at Cobblestone Creek. This complex is fantastic. Located close to Rodeo 39, great schools, gated community. This unit itself, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, located right down from the pool. You got the beautiful creek behind you. Can't wait to show it to you. Come on in. So as you enter this home, you can tell that it's been updated and remodeled throughout. So we have the lovely open concept with a glass fireplace. We've got smooth ceilings, LED recessed lights, crown molding, newer laminate floor, custom paint, single panel doors, and the list goes on and on. So one of my favorite parts of this home is this amazing redone kitchen. So we have tile floors, newer white shaker countertops, beautiful quartzite counters, amazing stainless steel appliances, recessed lighting above, goes on and on, and a window looking out over your front yard. Another great thing about this home is you have kind of separate wings. Over here you have a primary suite with an ensuite primary bath, and then you also have your guest bedroom and your guest bath on the other side of the home. And here I am in the covered patio of this home, right next to the babbling brook, and that's why they call it Cobblestone Creek. It's actually a creek, not a brook. Cobblestone Creek, and just a perfect place to entertain, sit back and relax. We have laundry, on-site laundry right here in the unit. Amazing place. If you want your own personal tour, remember, just give us a call today. We can schedule that personal tour for you. And see you on the next one. Bye for now.